TremLock Roofing and Building Maintenance. The T-138 system offers high performance for decades with minimal maintenance, while enhancing the image and curb appeal of new and existing buildings. Engineered to provide the perfect fit for leak-free protection and long-term performance. This innovative system from TremLock Roofing installs directly over shingles without the liability and costs associated with tear-offs. Why T-138? 1. Most watertight seam design. 2. Less scrap and more flexibility for installer. 3. Allows for individual panel replaceability. 4. Decades-long service life. 5. Reduced utility expense. Equals quicker payback. T-138 features. The T-138 Shingle Recover Clip is a special clip designed specifically for recovering shingles. It connects the roof plane and existing shingles while holding the panels up 3/4 inches above the shingles. This patent-pending clip is designed to sit on 2 shingle tabs. ASV, also known as above sheathing ventilation, is the result of the airspace between the roof panels and deck. The buoyancy forces from heated air create flow from the eave to the ridge. This airflow dissipates heat buildup and reduces heat gain, which in turn keeps buildings cooler. ASV also reduces heat transfer into attic space in the summer and minimizes melting of snow during the winter. Oak Ridge National Laboratories has tested and documented that a free-flowing airspace between a metal roof and shingles can reduce heat transfer by 30 to 45%. The corrugated panels allow for great airflow and support. The T-138 result. TremLock Roofing and Building Maintenance.